Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card making day. It's this lovely Valentine's card. So let's get started. Supplies you're going to need is a thick Whisper White card base. So this is a standard A6 card base. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece of real red, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And I've got a piece of Flirty Flamingo of the same size, and on the back of this I've actually put some adhesive sheet so we can cut it easily. And I've got some scraps of Whisper White and foil sheet. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to be doing, well, there's two things we're going to do. I'm going to be doing our cutting and embossing first. So for the embossing, I'm using this embossing folder called Scripty, and it's this one here. And I'm just going to be putting this through the Big Shot. So it's one of our 3D embossing folders, so you need to use the embossing platform and the blue plate. And then we're going to be cutting this out of with this die, and this is called the Detailed Hearts die. And as you can see, it's a beautiful die and cuts out all the hearts. And then don't chuck all those bits away. I'm saving my little baggie here, and then I'll be able to use these later on in a shaker card. So let me put this through the Big Shot and I'll be back. Okay, so I've put those through the Big Shot. So you can hear for the script, I put it through sideways so the script is facing the right way. And I don't know if you can see sort of there. It just gives a lovely little script in the background. So here is our die, and now we're just going to get rid of all these bits. So now you can see I've taken out all the little hearts, and all that's left is the ones that don't come out. And you can see what a delicate die it is. It's absolutely gorgeous, but you can see as well why I put it on adhesive sheet, just so it'll stick down nicely. Now I'm going to stick our real red first to our card base before I stick down my hearts, so it'll be much easier this way, I promise you. So let's stick this down, making sure we've got the script the right way up. Okay, you can't really read what it says, but you can see where an O or something is in the wrong place, you know, so is that, I mean, not an O or an L or something, or Y is upside down, so you do want it to be the right way up. Now we're going to stick down this piece, so we're just going to take off our adhesive sheet off the back of our place of Very Flamingo, and I'm just going to take a little bit off, I think, initially, so that I can get the first bit in place without all of it sticking to something. And now I can try and pull the rest of the sheet off. There we go, and just gently ease it down. Don't be too brusque with it, because the more brusque you are, the more chance of something going, or something breaking, and you don't want it to break. You've taken the time to make something so pretty, so just take a little bit of time and care. But there we go. There is our stuck down. So what I'm going to do is from the back, so we won't catch on anything, just use my bone folder and give it a real press down. And there we go. Now all our hearts are beautifully down. So get rid of this backing bits. You can set that aside because we're going to do a little bit of stamping. So I'm going to bring in my scrap here of Whisper White. And I've got real red ink, and the stamp set we're going to be using is this one called Heartfelt. I'm going to be using this one that says Happy Valentine's Day, and I've got it already on my block, so let's get ready to stamp. And this is quite a solid image, so initially it might seem as if the stamp is a bit blotchy, when you stamp it, but it will even out when it dries. So you're just going to down, hold that for a few seconds, and then up, and there you go. Lovely. Okay, so let's close up the real red before it gets everywhere, because it does seem to. And I'm just going to use my Stampin' chamois to clean off my stamp, because as I said, real red ink, I don't know, maybe it's just me, for me real red ink just gets everywhere, and so I'd rather clean it off before it gets on a project or something. So there we have that. So let's put that aside, and we're going to bring in our foil sheet, and this is the Scalloped Heart Punch, and it's part of the punch pack, and you can buy it as a bundle with the stamp set as well, and you get the 2 punches in the pack. So you get that one, and then you get this one that we're going to use to cut our heart out with. And now I just need to trim a little bit off the bottom of the heart so it can fit in the punch. And I've obviously got some sticky stuff on my scissors because the paper was sticking to it. So let's see, get this in here and try and centre it. This bit I always struggle with, is to centre it and get an even amount of white space around it, but I think that will do. So close that up. So they're really nice, these 2 punches, they coordinate together, and you, as I said, you can get them as a bundle. I think they're great. So I'm going to stick down our heart to our scalloped heart. And I like here just having the little bit of silver foiling, it just lifts it on top of the base here. And we're just going to stick this down with dimensionals, if I can find them. Here they are. Okay, 3 dimensionals, because it's 3D. Okay, get rid of those backs, and then we're just going to bung this in the centre of the card, and we are done. So that's that one. It's the one I made before. There you go. I love them. I think they're really cute and really simple to make, and I really love this heart die. I think it's just gorgeous. But it really does work nicely with the adhesive sheet. This one I didn't use, and you can see maybe here where I couldn't get glue on every little bit. It wants to come up, so I think the adhesive sheet is really the way to go. So I hope you enjoyed the project. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy it, I would be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any information about this project, it'll be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!